Hey teachers, thank you so much for participating in the Amgen Biotech Experience program. We'll try to make the learning process a little bit easier for you, but please feel free to ask us any questions anytime you need. We're here for you. If you are only doing Lab 1, here are all of the supplies that you will receive.
Lab 1 includes 3 large student boxes, a teacher kit, microcentrifuges, and expendable supplies. There are different versions of the microcentrifuges. Some have smaller tube holes for holding PCR tubes, as well as large normal holes for microfuge tubes. Always make sure to balance the tubes before using these. The teacher kit contains a practice gel kit, a teacher set of micropipettes and tips, a tube rack, agarose, and the Mini 1 gel casting systems. Each one of the large student boxes contains 2 buffer bottles, floating racks, 4 tip boxes, and 4 student station boxes. One student station box contains a practice gel, tube rack, waste cup, gel buffer tank, chamber, Sharpie, pipetters, funnel, casting tray, gel plates, hood, charger, and 1 blank laminated sheet and 4 practice sheets. Please make sure to package the kids' backup properly. The buffer tank should be stored upside down and the power cord only loosely wrapped.
If you are doing the Focus on Bacteria, Abridged, or Complete sequence, this is all the reagents and supplies that you'll need.
The Focus on Bacteria sequence, Abridged, and Complete sequences include all the supplies previously listed, and you will additionally receive an incubator, water bath, frozen reagents, and biowaste bin with plates and other refrigerated reagents. Lab 6, column chromatography, includes the hydrophobic columns and stands, 6 buffer sets, 12 P1000 micropipetters and tips, as well as a demo protein ball.
If you're doing the ABE 2.0 sequence, these are all the supplies that you will receive.
The ABE 2.0 sequence includes 3 large student boxes, a teacher kit, microcentrifuges, 6 Mini 1 PCR thermocyclers, and 6 tablets and chargers. Colony PCR includes either 1 large thermocycler or 6 Mini 1 PCR thermocyclers with 6 tablets and chargers. The Microplate Art Kit extension includes 96 wool plates, color dye, and protocols. The student guide is available to order, but it is also found online under Resources.